Alright, my darlings. Have a good day! Bye, Mom! Alright, what should we do now? Let's go sit in our secret fort room! Yes! I love this place! Wow, it's like being under a starry sky inside the house! Secret rooms are the best ever! Wow, I've had a long day. Can't wait to get some sleep. Huh? What was that? Is that a light on in my wardrobe? I guess not. Must have been imagining things. Huh? There's the light again! I knew it! I've gotta hide! What if it's monsters? Well, it doesn't seem like anything's coming out. And I've never seen a monster in there before. Maybe it's not monsters. Maybe it's something else. Okay, I have to be brave. That's all. I can still back out. No, I have to do this. Here I go. Huh. I don't see anything. It's just my clothes in here like always. There's definitely no light, though. Not that I can find. You know what? I know I saw something. I better really examine it. Wait, what the heck? Was that pizza in her hand? No way! It was pizza! And soda! It's like a whole retreat in there! Yeah, well… Look! Come in here and have some pizza, too! Oh, okay. I don't mind if I do. Wow! The secret room is great! I love all the decorations! This pizza is really hitting the spot, too! So good! So now you know about my secret room. Cheers! It's great! Oh, she's totally my favorite right now. I love her hair. Huh? Wait, what's that? Did you see that over there? No, I don't see anything. Anyway, like I was saying, her hair is… No, seriously! Look right over there! Don't you see it? I think there's someone outside the door! Oh my gosh! Who the heck is that? I'm so scared! Oh no! I think they're trying to come in here! Let's get out of here! We have to hide right now! Yeah, but where? Maybe behind the plant? The plant? That's not good enough! Hey! We have to hide in the vents! He'll never find us up there! The vents? Oh, I see! You're right! Let's get up there! You don't think he can hear us crawling around up here, do you? Hey, move over! I'm trying to fit around this corner here! It's no use. We'll have to go together, like this! Ugh, you're in my way! Stop! Let me go first! Stop grabbing me! You're being so annoying! Stop, stop! Look, here's the kitchen! We can check on things from up here. Look, there's the intruder! All I can see is their shadow. Shoot, we still don't know who they are. Whew, it's so chilly out there today. Good thing I wore my sweater. I think I heard talking. I need to listen. Achoo! Are you kidding me right now? Huh? Was that a sneeze I just heard? It's Mom! She spotted us! Pow! Pow! Ha! Take that! I'm totally destroying this level! Hey, I need your help. Peel these veggies for me, please. What? But I hate peeling veggies! That's the worst! And look how big they are! Mom, do I have to? I was playing my game, too! Yes, you do. Now get to work, please. Ugh, I can't believe she's making me do this. I really hate the onions. Now don't take too long with those veggies, Jennifer, okay? I'll be working over here if you need me. Phew. There. Mom, I'm done with all the veggies! Now I can finally go back to playing my game. Hold up there, honey. Look, I made you some lunch. So why don't you take a break and eat this first, okay? You did such a good job with these veggies. Thank you so much. Now she's making me eat food, too? The worst. At least it's a sandwich. I do like Sammy's. Last bite. There. What's she up to over there? Oh yes, I've been waiting for your call. Honey, I'll be right over here. Yes! Now's my chance to get back to my game! Just gotta chug this juice and then I'm back at it! Hey, wait a second! There's that cupboard under there! I've got a really great idea! There! Now I've got a comfy little secret room and she'll have no idea where to find me. Thank you. Bye. Okay, back to the dishes. What's that sound I'm hearing? Is it coming from the sink? The plumbing, maybe? No. Oh no! I'm making too much noise! I've gotta be quiet! Huh. It stopped. Guess it was nothing to worry about. Well, back to the dishes, I suppose. They're not gonna wash themselves. And no one else around here is gonna do them either. I swear. Yes! She totally doesn't know I'm under here! Back to my game! It was my favorite episode for sure! Their outfits were so cute! Luna? Hello? Earth to Luna, what are you looking at? Oh, I get it now. He does have pretty nice hair. Uh-oh, here he comes. And Luna is totally smitten. You like him. You've got a big old crush on him. What? Shh! Keep it down or other people will hear you! Oh my gosh, you're such a scaredy cat! You need some help! And I've got just the thing that'll help me help you! Your credit card? But what are we gonna do with that? You'll see. Just let me work my magic. Yes! It worked! Hi! Oh my goodness, I have customers. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm ready to speak with the spirits for you. Great! Luna here needs a reading because she likes a boy. Show her that picture you're always carrying around in secret.
Oh.
Ah, yes, young love. Well, go on. Pass that picture to me. Come on now, hand it over. I'll need it for the reading. Ah, yes, I see. Well, he is very cute, I suppose. Now let me get to work and consult the cards. The spirits will help me divine the future for you. What possibilities could be in store? Isn't this exciting? She's one of the best! Alright, let's see what these cards have to say. That's interesting. Last card. Oh my! Well, this is a lucky book for you! This card is all about romance and your love life! Oh my gosh! Can you believe that? You have to talk to him! Hey! He's right over there! Come on, be brave! Okay, fine. You're right. Here I go.
Hey.
Oh, hi. I really love your sweater.
That's wild because I was just thinking how I like your sweater too.
What did I say? Oh my gosh! Everything's fine in here. Don't worry. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I win! Are you kidding me? Fine, go hide. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, gotta find somewhere she'll never look. Let's see. Oh, I know. I'll just duck down behind the couch. 8, 9, 10. Let's see. Where could she be hiding? Oh. Aw, come on! You didn't even look! Well, you didn't hide very well. I turned around and there you were. Okay, well, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I get to hide again! Of course you do. Maybe try to do a better job this time. 9, 10. Okay, here I come again. And maybe I'll just check in here. Yep, just like I suspected. What? How did you find me so quickly? Found you. Again. I'm starting to think you're not good at this. Ugh, she finds me every time. There's gotta be somewhere I can hide. Well maybe there's something outside I can use to help. Let's see, is there anything good? Some cardboard, the garbage bin, mailbox. I think I just got a great idea! 9, 10! Alright, I'm gonna find you again! I thought for sure she'd be in here one more time. I love these chips! They're extra salty. Wait, is that her? No, must have been nothing. Not behind the curtain either. She's getting clever. Woo! I've been trying to beat this level forever! Where could she be? This has gotten tricky. Ugh, where is she? I've looked everywhere. Unless she's outside? Huh, wait a second. What's over here? Well, I don't see her out here either. She's really stumped me. How long has it been? Wait, I don't have a watch. I can't believe she finally outdid me in hide and seek. Luna, where are you? Haha! Gotcha! You should see the look on your face! I win! But come on! Oh my gosh! You only beat me by building that thing. You'd never have won otherwise.
Kids, you in there?
Hide the snacks!
Gotta fix that. What are you two up to? What's that next to your foot? No food allowed. You know the rules. I'll be back.
Got anything good under here? Check out that stash!
It's been here all this time?
Whoa! Oh! That hurt!
This place is huge.
And it's just under the bed? Sure could use a little cleanup.
Good thing we've got some time. Phew.
That was exhausting.
Now for our reward. Hey, it looks great in here. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh yeah! Let's get this party started!
This carpet sure isn't too comfortable. Chairs would be nice.
Yep, you can say that again. Ugh, this is so frustrating! Wait! Hold these!
Hey! A warning would have been nice.
Sorry. Hold on.
Guess I'll just wait down here. Ooh, tricky. 3 letters for cactus? What's going on now? This pillow's pretty soft. Where'd it come from? Huh?
Oh gosh, I'll show you. Just need a needle and thread. Then you can attach these two together. Just a regular running stitch will do. You can even cross them like this. I did a whole bunch of them. Isn't this cool?
Whoa! You made all that out of pillows?
Uh-huh. Now our butts will be happy down here. So much better, right?
Thanks!
How do you open this thing? Well, finished all the candy. Now what? I can so reach my nose! No, you're weird. I'm so bored. But it looks like it's time to eat. Hey! It says it's time to eat!
Whoa! Cool!
This is my favorite! Thanks! Yay!
Phew! Happy to help.
Can I eat now? Hey! What happened to your shoes? They're gonna make a mess in here!
What? Oh, sorry. I'll head back up. Oh no! Wait! Don't fall! Guess I'm stuck down here then. Unless… maybe I can do something with this! Of course!
Start by curling the rope, like so. And keep going without the rope bending. It has to lay flat like this, see? Keep going until you reach the end. Put some hot glue here to keep the end in place.
There! Isn't this neat? And now I won't get the carpet dirty.
Interesting. Now, take them off.
Okay. You happy now?
Yay! My appetite's back!
Yeah, I'm starving. This stuff just melts in your mouth. What's going on here? Sarah and Liam stuff? Care to explain?
Hold on, okay? You're gonna love this, Liam! Ta-da! It's from our room!
It's just our old stuff then?
No! I'm more excited about this! Where's the button? Cool, right? What? Shh!
Kids? Oh, good. They're taking a nap.
I'm scared in the dark! Huddle! Quick!
Hey, that looks pretty cool. I think I can put something together here.
Have an empty soda bottle lying around? Take the label off and place some string lights inside. And don't forget to turn them on. Next comes the fun part. Wonder where the lights went? Pretty awesome, isn't it?
It's like I'm holding a real cloud.
It really is beautiful!
We can use it as a nightlight.
Wow! Great idea!
It can sit right in here. In fact, we can put them everywhere. It's like we're hanging out in the sky. I forgot it's a snack, too.
Alrighty, let's see what else we've got.
Glad you're here, Mr. Bear. Where's my honey, Liam?
How about we play cars instead? Gah! Whoopsies! Where'd it go? Aw! I forgot all about this picture! That was the best day! Remember, Liam?
Oh yeah!
I should put this somewhere in here. Right next to me feels right. No, that's weird. How about right here, then? That doesn't feel right either. Here? There? This is impossible! Ugh! did!
Why'd you do that? You can't just throw memories away! There's gotta be a better place for it. Wait a second. The answer's here!
Just a trash bin? Think again. A little spray paint goes a long way. Add in those lights on top of the cotton. Then bring a wooden topper. Let there be light. Pretty magical, isn't it?
Now this ought to please her. Oh, Sarah?
What? Is that a new side table?
Just missing one thing.
Our picture! Oh, it's perfect! I think you deserve a little treat.
Thanks. We sure make a great team.
Those are my favorite! Can I?
Wait. I've gotta get myself prepared. Okay, now I'm ready. Ooh, I'll just eat it whole. Sarah?
What's up, bro?
Rawr!
Look! Whoa! My bad. I'll get that. Ooh, I left a stain. That's not good. Come on, get out! Nothing's working!
Wait. What about this canvas here? I think I can fashion a little something. Or just cover it all together.
That looks terrible. Let me think. Wait! I know!
What are you doing? Oh! Wow! Your name!
Yep. Now you!
Ta-da! I'll put it right next to yours. Pretty snazzy.
Good thing we have extra.
Kids? They're being too quiet in there. Something doesn't feel right.
Wait! That means Dad's on his way!
Come on, hurry up! Aw, look at my sweet sleeping angels. Sweet dreams, my babies. I'll see you in a little while. Nice!
We should go under the bed more often! Hi! Keep your eyes on this, okay? Keep watching! Now where is it? You guessed it! Let's try it again. And?
I don't know. A little help?
Wish you had a room under the bed to hide out in? What would you do under there? Let us know and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.